Welcome to my store.
When I got in the truck, I would go pick Shauna up when we would decide where we wanted to go when we got in the truck.
So kind of carefree and not a lot of planning involved.
Due to the fact that I haven't driven since July, pretty much.
Yeah?
Although I do have to go and pick up Alona and drive her downtown.
Where should they go?
This Sheridan.
For what?
For DECA.
When's that?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
The girls hit because the one guy was too cheap. The girls are sleeping over Sunday and Monday night. The guys are only sleeping Monday.
So you got to get there early on
Monday so that I can get to the room and get to bed because there's only one bed.
So whoever's there first gets to bed, everybody else has to sleep on the floor. They won't give you a little trundle bed?
No, it's too small of a room and we're only supposed to have 2 people. That's great.
So you're admitting on the YouTube channel that you're going to have more people in the room than what the hotel says.
Yeah, so.
Okay, we do not condone lying to hotels. Just throw that in there. We might have a lot of hotel owners watching.
Yeah. The last flat one.
That's the last flat one. Okay, give me the non-flat ones now.
Where are you driving me to so that I can go to your house easier?
I guess up to the 401.
To Vixen?
Yeah.
Hey, can I drive up there?
You don't have insurance.
I'll have insurance by then.
If I call, if they're there. You didn't even check to see if they were there. Who was supposed to? You?
What insurance agent I called? I had?
Yeah? Mark? Which one's best with you know? Okay, so go turn the water on.
I'm not done.
Oh, you're not? Alright, I'm balancing on a little tiny thin thing. Don't make it so that I fall. Okay, so you're gonna go turn the water on? Yeah, mix it hot and cold. So what we're going to do is we're going to pump the water out of that tub there, and we're going to fill it up with water out of the hose. Burn some D4, carefully measured. Plug the pump in. Okay, so where's the 2 jugs? So these are the fish we're going to put in. You see them? They're just a bunch of assorted Africans. There's some Bouchardis, some yellow labs, and red by red zebras, canyais, flame tops, aradas, etc. We're going to hang them there for now. We won't put them in until we got that turned off, because you don't want to shock them in case that water's too hot, too cold, anything like that. This is going up a lot faster than it went down. You know why that is, son? We got 2 hoses filling it.
No, it's the same because you had 3 hoses, or 2 hoses taking it out that were bigger.
Yeah, but they were just siphons.
No, they were bigger.
Yeah, but this is under pressure. It's moving faster than the other bit.
Can you call now?
Okay, well, we'll call as soon as this video's done. Actually, I guess it's pretty much done. So what we're going to do is finish filling it up, and then we're going to put the fish in it, and then I'm going to phone the insurance company to see if they're still there, and conceivably the boy may have insurance by sometime this evening, or in the next 6 months or so. Come on, show him the look. Okay. He gets a little irritated when I do this. Okay, bye-bye.